In just a few minutes, the microwave sterilization experiment of buckwheat noodles was completed. The processed buckwheat noodles exhibited a natural and uniform color, remained dry and non-sticky, and maintained their chewy texture without deformation. The core advantage of microwave sterilization lies in its penetrating heating, which can directly penetrate the interior of noodles, achieving synchronous and uniform sterilization both inside and outside. The entire process is characterized by gentle temperature control and rapid processing, which can maximize the retention of the original taste and nutrition of buckwheat noodles without compromising the flavor. Microwaves not only achieve efficient sterilization but also effectively eliminate harmful microorganisms, eliminating the need for preservatives, reducing the risk of spoilage during storage, and extending the shelf life. The entire equipment supports large-scale, continuous operation with a high processing capacity per batch, fully adapting to the industrial production needs of noodle, miscellaneous grain noodle, and instant noodle processing enterprises. Interested bosses, please leave a message in the comment section or send a private message for consultation.